Show me, show me, show me. Hi. Hi. Jim. Ma.
Well, don't worry, they're not going to speak to you. Trust me. No. I guarantee you that we have the servants who never speak or see those people for the rest of their lives. And why they think they're so much better than everybody else is not me. I gotta tell you what Grandpa said. It'll make you laugh. Grandpa died. I said, I said, guess what? Jamie's gonna have another baby. He's asking about it. And he said, oh yeah? Well,
Yeah.
you know who the father is? And I said, what do you mean does she know who the father is? And he goes, oh, is it that Mexican man? What's his name? I said, oh yes, Dad, it's Ivan. Oh, okay. And he goes, well, I said, Dad, and he said, well, does she know who the father is?
Mom.
And then the last thing we told Jeremy Kirk is to stay out of the bars. It was bad for him. Jeremy Kirk don't go out to the bars.
Boom. Boom.
Okay, so I'm just going to tell the church. Thank you for the offer, and we'll just use our own instead of that. Sign on that one. Okay. All right, I love you later. Yes, baby.
Thank you. Oh, we've been recording too. Great. What else do we have for footage?